I created an issue in my GoHighLevel sub account. I messed up the domains, and now there are still links broken because I accidentally swapped everything out for how can I do a search replace on the entire sub account and look for any domains that are broken and then replace them with the correct ones? What is the native feature of GoHighLevel on how to do this? What is the official way of how to do this? I need actual links to sources stating how to do this. Do not assume anything, and do not give a long explanation, and then also explain the steps. Just give me the steps with exact information. Okay, so this is a configuration guide. This isn't about configuration. We already have the domain configured. It's the old links in the sub account that we need to search and replace. I do not know if GoHighLevel has a database feature like this. I don't know anything about how this could work. I need you to do online research and find exact information about this. So there's no direct process. So I'm not quite sure if we can export and import trigger links. So one of the issues we have as an example is trigger links. Are you saying that I can export a sub account and find and replace all of the trigger links and then import them again? How can I make sure that it overrides the old ones and that the old ones don't still exist in the account inside of our email automations? So you can overwrite the old content. Is this something that we can have support do for us on the GoHighLevel side? This has happened before, so we need to see what other people have said in support forums and online. So what it is saying is that we can export the email templates and the automations. So I don't know. I think we can export the automations. The issue is the trigger link itself. As far as I can tell, can't I just edit the trigger links on the URLs to make sure that they are correct and not redirecting to the wrong URLs? How can I check to see any URLs on my sub account? Is there a way to see them all at the same time? Question mark. So, Rockable, the main thing I'm trying to do here is just show you how to continue to go back and forth with HighLevel to find an exact scenario by feeding it all of the variables. If you have any questions, let me know.